What's up YouTube? It's currently Tuesday morning and I've been working on a ton of videos lately. I've been going to bed at like 2 or 3 a.m. I'm trying to get back on a normal schedule, so I think it's like 10:30 or 11 right now, and I'm doing something big today. I've basically decided to unwrap my car only because of the fact that I miss the Interlagos blue. I miss that color so much. The wrap that I have is fun, it's unique, it's different, it's just not what I love. I bought the car because I wanted Interlagos blue. I want to put it back to Interlagos blue, so it's going back to Interlagos blue. I've never unwrapped a car before, but I left it out in the sun for the last few hours, so hopefully that'll help. I'm just gonna go for it and peel off as much as I can. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Let's go unwrap my car. So personally, I've never unwrapped a car before, so I have no idea how to do it. I've watched a few YouTube videos on how to do it on like just basic peeling. You really want to focus on peeling off bigger pieces. The car has been in the sun for like maybe 4 hours now, so let's give it a shot, I guess. Alright, that front fender's off. Now let's try to get that front bumper off. So that side was really easy to get off because it's been sitting in the sun for so long. But like once I got to this part where it's in the shade, it's actually having a much harder time pulling off. It's still pulling off, it's just way harder. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. That's the entire hood right there. That's how much material was used. That's all one piece. There's a few small pieces in here that I can't get, and also like underneath here. So I forgot about this too. And then there's like a few more pieces here. But I realized this is why I bought the car, Interlagos blue. And I've come to realize also that I am in major need of a paint correction. But oh my god, I love this blue. This is why I bought the car. But I still have the rest of the car to go. Okay, well, we made some progress. Door handles I can't figure out yet. Gas tank, that'll be easy. This side skirt, I'm pretty sure it's easy enough. And unfortunately, I don't know if I pulled too hard or what happened, but there's Bondo, so gotta touch that up. And then you can see here, my door has been painted, so I want to get that redone. Other than that, there's just like adhesive left, and then I wanted to keep this black, but I peeled it off on accident, so I just have to peel all that off, get that, and then all that stuck in there. And unfortunately, this side is still completely matte cranberry, so I have my trunk open right now just to kind of heat it up, and then I'm gonna park my car in the sunlight on that side. Just gonna take a quick break. Fingers are starting to bleed. Hurts a lot too, but I want to keep going, but it's just I gotta take a little break. So this is pretty much as far as I got last night. I peeled off the M3 badge, and I have to go to a shop to have them fix this because I can't get under the spoiler, and this is just a mess. I'm not even gonna try. Plus my door handles and like that crap. Alright, picked up my morning ritual, Starbucks. Got an egg white sandwich. Oh, sorry dude. So like a few things off the bat. My thumbs, I don't know if you can see it, but I have so much respect to shops who peel off wraps because dude, my fingers hurt so freaking bad. So I couldn't get off the spoiler. I did a bunch of stuff that I didn't mean to. So I'm taking it to the shop to get it back to 100%. Because I probably look ridiculous right now driving around with like, look at this. That stuff is everywhere. Look at my rear bumper. Can you guys see that piece hanging off? Hold on. Can you see that? There's a piece just flying in the wind, all casual. So I'm out in Santa Ana and I just dropped off my car. Now, I gotta get an Uber back to Costa Mesa. So I never had like the chance to walk through the car once it was completely done being unwrapped, and I took it over to a shop where they professionally took off a bunch of the bumpers and the mirrors and everything just to get off those little pieces that I couldn't get. And plus, like, I don't know if you can see it again, all my fingers are like that and they hurt so badly. Not to be like a crybaby, but man, my fingers really hurt from doing that.
That's what she said.
Car is fully unwrapped. I'm actually leaving to Vegas shortly, so the car is kind of dirty. I don't know why Vegas has to do with being dirty, but here's the car. The main reason why I purchased this car was because of that. That's Interlagos Blue, my all-time favorite color. This is why I bought the car, and I am so happy to have it back to blue. The wrap was great. I'm very thankful for the guys who wrapped it at House of Wraps, but this is what made me fall in love with the car. Back to blue. And there you have it. No more frozen cranberry. The blue sticks out a lot more on the exhaust too. We left the badge in black as well. And that's it. Back to blue. Keep it things simple. 4-door, 6-speed manual, BMW M3, Interlagos Blue. I'm happy.